8 best laptops under 150. Lenovo ThinkPad T460S, Intel Core i5, 6300U, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, Windows 10 Pro 64. It's also available on Amazon. Number 2, Dell Latitude 5480 laptop, 14-inch HD anti-glare non-touch display, Intel Core 7th generation i5, 7300U, 8 GB DDR4, 256 GB SSD, Windows 10 Pro. Number 3, Acer Chromebook 512. Acer Chromebook 512, Intel Celeron N4020, 12 SD display, Intel UHD graphics 600, 4 GB LPDDR4, 32 GB eMMC, Intel 9560, 802.11 AC Gigabyte Wi-Fi 5, MIL STD, 810G, Chrome OS, CB512-C1K. Pros: user friendly and updated operating system, portable enough to be carried inside a laptop bag, fast processor with minimum lag, additional cloud drive storage. Cons: low on the RAM. Number 4, laptop MacBook Air 13.3 inch. Pros: updated operating system Mac OS with the latest technology, high storage, sleek stylish design, tons of connectivity options with Bluetooth equipped. Cons: low on the RAM, probability might be an issue with the item almost weighing 5 lbs. Number 5, HP Chromebook 11-inch. MediaTek MT 8183, 4 GB RAM, 32 GB eMMC storage, 11.6 inches HD display with Chrome OS 2020 model. Number 6, Samsung Chromebook 4. It's cheap, compact, light design with 11.6 display, military grade durability, ultra fast connectivity with gigabyte Wi-Fi, advanced security with multiple layers of built-in virus protection, 12.5 hours of battery life, Google Assistant enable. Number 7, Fusion 5 10.1 inch 2-in-1 best laptop. Android laptop, Google certified Android laptop, tablet, PC, powerful processor, Android 10, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, dual cameras, HD IPS, Type C, Bluetooth, tablet, PC with docking keyboard. Number 8, Asus C423 NA Chromebook 14-inch. Intel dual core Celeron processor, N3350, 4 GB DDR4 RAM, 64 GB SSD, webcam, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Type C, Google Chrome OS Silver.